Hi, I'm Eddie with Crashspace in Los Angeles, and this is our front meeting area. We have different events during the week for both the public and members. Today happens to be MakerBot Monthly, and different people have come in with 3D printers. And yeah, so that's much of today's meeting. We also had a nice visit with a gentleman from Hackaday magazine, and we'll be going to a little party during the week in LA later. Okay, that's it. Yeah.
Okay, I'm Carlin, and I'm going to show you guys around the library and small electronics lab. We have books over here, all donated from the members, including some classics from Hackaday books.
Whoa.
This is a really wonderful, my favorite book in the library. And we have an area for people to sit down, use a computer, check things on a scope. We have different development kits up here in the corner, including a bus pirate and our printer, one of our 3D printers, and some other benchtop power supplies. And you can see people do small electronics work here, including some soldering, where they need a little more quiet than typically in the lab.
And sewing too. Sometimes we do sewing here.
There's sewing.
There is sewing. There's frequently a serger where those copters are, and but things get moved around a lot.
Okay.
Hi!
Wait.
Hi.
I'm Brian, and this is...
Hi, I'm Steve Goldstein, and this is...
Hi, I'm Todd Kerr.
Hi, Todd's one of the founders of Crashspace, and we are right now in Shop 1, which is the clean shop, and here in this shop is electronics happen. We have the laser cutter, the epilogue laser cutter, and a couple of 3D printers back here. Hi, welcome to Shop 2 of Crashspace. This is the machine shop. What we have here is a 1950s manual mill, which is kind of cool. It's not CNC. It's about as far from CNC as you can get, but it still cuts parts. Next to that is a works in progress. This is a vacuum form machine with a vacuum form bed. And up here is the heating elements for the plastic. As I said, it's works in progress. There will be a plastic carrier here, which will lower down and get sucked by the big vacuum there.
And
shop drill press
and
a 1920s lathe, which is very cool and functional.
And then here's our shed. Or no, actually, no, this is what is this called?
It's called a shed.
The shed, yeah, okay, this is the shed, which has even more power tools. So over here we have a, what's that?
lathe?
A lathe, yeah.
What?
I don't really use anything in here, so I don't know. A horizontal bandsaw, which is really awesome. A grinder, a press, a sander, another grinder, a bandsaw.
And then we have randomly in the corner just a Tesla coil.
Tesla coil,
Tesla
because you have to test coil. It goes with the ladder, I think.
Right, yes, it does.
Okay,
And
use
a sound blast cabinet. Things here are what I like to think of as like mobile tools, where if you need it, you grab it off the shelf. If you pan around, you'll see over here.
Hey.
Okay, as you pan around,
Hey, I'm totally on this.
You'll see over here we have we have our cryo cooler that goes down to minus 250 degrees Fahrenheit, and then above that we have our oven, which goes to plus 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit. So we can crack Pyrex in this place.